in effect until 11:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time this morning. What? Small stream flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues. Where? A portion of northwest Ohio, including the following county: Hancock. When? Until 11:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Streams continue to rise due to excess runoff from earlier rainfall. Additional details: at 2:10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, river gauge reports indicated waters continuing to rise along small streams and creeks. Flooding is already occurring in the warned area, including along Lake Creek. At 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the stage on Lake Creek at Findlay was 6.1 feet. Flood stage is 6.0 feet. Some locations that will experience flooding include Findlay, Arlington, and Mount Blanchard. Please visit www.weather.gov/safety/flood for flood safety and preparedness information. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Repeating, the aerial flood warning has been extended until 11:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Hancock, Ohio. Flood warning in effect until late this evening. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Portage River at Woodville. When? Until late this evening. Impacts: at 9.0 feet, the river inundates lower portions of Trail Marker Park and is out of banks in Pemberville. Additional details: at 12:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday, the stage was 8.9 feet. Forecast: the river is expected to rise above flood stage early this morning to a crest of 9.1 feet this afternoon. It will then fall below flood stage late this afternoon. Flood stage is 9.0 feet. Please visit www.weather.gov/safety/flood for flood safety and preparedness information. This is a test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm for the WXL51 listening area of Northwest Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of, or existing severe weather, in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm.